Welcome back to Spec Dossier, the channel where technology meets truth and every detail matters. Today, we're taking a deep and honest look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the latest heavyweight in Samsung's flagship lineup. With a reputation built on innovation and refinement, this phone arrives with the promise of being the most powerful Galaxy yet. But the question remains, is it truly the pinnacle of smartphone technology, or just another incremental upgrade in a saturated market? Let's unpack it all. The design and build quality of the Galaxy S25 Ultra immediately command attention. Crafted from Samsung's signature armor aluminum 2.0 frame and coated with Gorilla Glass armor on both sides, it feels undeniably premium. The brushed matte finish adds a touch of elegance while resisting fingerprints, maintaining that clean aesthetic even after long use. The slightly squared corners and flat display edges echo the Ultra series identity, bold and professional. However, its 6.8-inch size and near 230g weight make it hefty, which can fatigue the hand during extended one-handed use. Still, the craftsmanship and symmetry make it one of the most refined smartphones on the market, exuding durability and luxury in every detail. Once the screen lights up, it's clear that the display quality continues Samsung's dominance in visual excellence. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with QHD+ resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It achieves jaw-dropping brightness levels exceeding 2,600 nits, ensuring readability even under direct sunlight. HDR10+ support and precise color calibration make movies, games, and creative projects come alive with depth and clarity. Samsung's signature color vibrancy remains, though some may find it a touch oversaturated, something easily adjusted in display settings. With minimal bezels and symmetrical curves, it's an immersive experience that no other flagship matches right now. Underneath, the performance and hardware are the beating heart of this device. Depending on your region, it's powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy or Exynos 2500, both built on cutting-edge 3nm architecture for unmatched efficiency. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, the S25 Ultra is built for raw speed. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and gaming performance feels desktop class. Samsung's vapor cooling system has improved, keeping temperatures in check even during long gaming or video editing sessions. Benchmark numbers are impressive, but what really stands out is how effortlessly it handles real-world use. Whether you're editing 4K footage, rendering graphics, or switching between heavy apps, it never falters. Battery life is another area where Samsung has fine-tuned the experience. With its 5,000 mAh cell, the Galaxy S25 Ultra easily powers through a full day of heavy use. Streaming, GPS navigation, and high-resolution photography don't seem to drain it as fast as before, thanks to adaptive refresh rates and improved power management. The 45W wired charging can top it up in about an hour, while 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless power sharing remain convenient additions. It's not the fastest charger in its class. Rivals like OnePlus and Xiaomi still hold that edge, but it's steady, safe, and efficient. The optimization between hardware and software makes endurance a quiet strength of the Ultra. Now let's talk about the showpiece, the camera system. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 200MP main sensor, paired with 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP 3x telephoto, and 50MP 5x periscope zoom lenses. The results are phenomenal. In daylight, the photos burst with detail and balanced dynamic range. In low light, Samsung's AI-powered nightography processing brightens scenes without excessive noise. The periscope lens remains industry-leading, capturing crisp, usable images even at 30x or 50x zoom. Video performance shines too, offering 8K recording at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and excellent stabilization through enhanced super steady mode. Still, some users may notice Samsung's typical overprocessing in skin tones or boosted contrast, something professionals might prefer toned down. Overall, though, the S25 Ultra's camera system continues to set a benchmark in mobile photography. Speaking of AI, this is where Samsung has taken bold steps forward. The new Galaxy AI suite transforms how you interact with your phone. You get real-time translation during calls, transcription tools, AI photo editing, note summarization, and even contextual text suggestions that make typing faster. For creators, the AI can enhance low-resolution photos, remove unwanted objects, and generate creative edits with a single tap. In practice, these tools are genuinely useful, though not flawless. Translation accuracy varies, and image edits can sometimes feel too artificial. Yet, Samsung's direction is clear. AI is no longer a buzzword, but a working assistant built right into your phone. The software experience is equally refined. Running on One UI 7 based on Android 15, the interface feels smoother and more consistent than ever. Samsung has streamlined animations, reorganized settings, and given the interface a lighter touch while still retaining its identity. There's still some pre-installed bloatware, but much of it can now be removed. The company's commitment to 7 years of OS and security updates is a game changer, extending the phone's lifespan well beyond the average upgrade cycle. Integration within the Galaxy ecosystem is seamless. Your phone, Galaxy Buds, Watch, and Tab now feel like extensions of each other. It's a tightly connected digital environment that rewards loyalty. On the connectivity front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is future-ready. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, UWB, ultra-wideband, and dual SIM eSIM options. Calls are clear, and data speeds remain consistently high across networks. The S Pen, a signature Ultra feature, continues to evolve. It's faster, more responsive, and better integrated than ever. Whether jotting down notes, sketching, or editing photos precisely, the latency feels almost non-existent. Combine that with IP68 water resistance, ultrasonic fingerprint scanning, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, and enhanced GPS accuracy, and you have a device built not just for performance, but for practicality in every environment. Of course, with all this power and sophistication, the question of value for money arises. The S25 Ultra sits at a premium price point, rivaling or even exceeding the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google Pixel 10 Pro. It's not cheap, but it offers a complete flagship experience, cutting-edge hardware, professional cameras, robust AI tools, and years of guaranteed updates. For users seeking the best Android device without compromise, it's worth every cent. However, for casual users who don't need such power, more affordable flagships like the S25 Plus or Pixel may tend to deliver better practicality at a lower price. In the end, the overall user experience of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra feels like using the future in your hands. Every interaction, from unlocking the phone to capturing a sunset or drafting a note with the S Pen, feels refined, intelligent, and reliable. It's a device that combines raw power with polished intelligence, offering a blend of innovation and comfort. Of course, it's not flawless. The weight, size, and occasional software clutter remain mild annoyances, but they don't overshadow the brilliance of what Samsung has achieved here. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra the best smartphone of 2025? In many ways, yes. It's a technological statement, one that blends beauty, brains, and brawn in perfect harmony. For professionals, creators, and tech lovers, it's a dream device. For everyone else, it's a glimpse into the level of excellence smartphones can reach. And that wraps up our full deep dive on Spec Dossier, where we uncover the specs, decode the details, and help you see beyond the marketing. If you enjoyed this detailed review, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let us know in the comments. What do you think of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Is it your next upgrade, or just another luxury phone out of reach? Until next time, this is Spec Dossier signing off, where every detail matters.